In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram post on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your iPhone. Now tap your profile icon located at the bottom right side. So this is your Instagram profile page showing all your posts. Now open a post that you wish to delete. Tap three dots at the top right side. From the menu, tap delete. You will get a confirmation box for post deletion. Just tap delete and your Instagram post will be deleted. So that is how you can delete Instagram post on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.